This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on an Acura MDX, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the Keyfob battery.
To change the battery on this key fob for this Acura, what we're going to want to do is, there's a little button right here. Push that and pull the key out like so. And then if we look right here, there's a little section that this key kind of fits into. And if you put it in there and then just kind of pry up on the little panel there, it's going to pop that off, and then your battery, you can just kind of pry it out there, but your battery is located right there. Then if we bring the new battery in, we just put it in there like so. We're just going to line up the cover that's kind of on the top here and just push it back down into place, and then just pop the key back in, and you're good to go.
Next, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life monitor.
To change the oil life reset monitor, we want this dial that's kind of on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and just go down on the dial and you should come to a maintenance section, and then it should say oil life, and then if we push and hold, it should reset that oil life.
And finally, we're going to show you how to remove your taillight housing. Open the hatch to begin. Pry off this panel up to this section. Remove two 8mm bolts that secure the housing. Pry the bulb housing away from the vehicle, then pull it out. Press the tab and pull out the connector. Now you can remove your housing. We also recently showed you how to remove the front bumper on this vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.